Friends, good morning. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to explain how to download free billing software for GST. This is generated in Google Sheets. If you make bills in Excel, you have to take backup. If Excel file corrupted, you cannot trace the data. So that I have generated in Google Sheets. This invoice number is lastly I have generated. So I want to change this 2000 as 2001 and date. Here I am going to enter current date September 7. Okay, and this is party name. You can select here. If you don't have the party name here, you can go and select create here in this column G, client name, address, and GST number. Okay. Now I am going to this invoice sheet. Address 45 Gandhi Street. Ignore about the mistakes. Gandhi Street, Avadi. Contact details, whatever you wish. 99. So that is the mobile number or whatever this. Okay. And GST number 33. Either one amchidinga. Okay. This is the dummy GST number. You don't bother about this. Here, invoice number, just fill the serial number 1, 2, 3. I am going to enter 4 items. Here the product, you can just select go 1, product 2, product 3. See, once you select that product, HSN code and units and price, automatically it will pick up. Say 10, then 5. See the numbers, price and everything. Just we check the price and units for this item number 5. Item number 5 is 80 rupees. Item number 5 is 80 rupees. Okay. And also tax rate also 5%. Tax rate 5%. That we will bring it. Say 5% received. Okay. Now just what you need to do is just enter the quantity of billing. Item 2, I am entering 5 quantity, and this is 10, and this is 20, and this is 5. So once you fill the quantity details, it will automatically calculate taxable value, CGST, IGST, SGST, and total amount. Okay. Once you finish all these details, total comes here. This is the taxable, this is the CGST, this is the SGST, and this is the total amount. Once you finish all this, click on save button. Once you click on save button, this invoice will saved into this data, invoice data. Go here, the invoice data 2001. Say 2001. This is invoice preview. Invoice preview. From here you can take the printout or convert to PDF, whatever it is. Okay. Invoice preview, the use of this is you have so many invoices, say 2000, 1005, 1006, 1007, etc. Now I want to take preview or PDF for this 1004. Go to invoice preview. Just click on this preview button. Here enter 1004. Say 1004 is here. See, this is the taxable and this is CGST, SGST. Okay, this is the way you can fill the invoices. So it is very easy. Just you have to check this party name, then fill the address, then fill the contact detail, then fill the GST number. Just here select the item. Once you select that HSN code and GST, everything will come here. Okay. Now how to get this file? That's a big question. In this video description I am giving the link. Once you go through the link, you will get the file. I will explain you how to get that. I already sent to someone some other Gmail address that link. Here I am quitting this. This is my another email address. Here I am going to click this. I am clicking this link. In this link you will get it from the description of this video. The description will available at the bottom of the video. Don't forget. Once you click on the link, you will get like this request. Google sent request. Will get an email. Okay, I will check for another email. Then I am going to check the email. Approve. I am going to give the approve. I have given the share. Now it has been approved. I'm going to click here. Then click on the straight away open. Will open here. Now I got it. Now I am going to here I am going to use another that is make a copy. For this I am going to change the original file name. GST billing. Then what is that? Sheets. SHETS. Here I am going to enter invoice number 2002. Okay. Here I am going to click another company. Address, you can click any address. Contact details. The number. GST number 33. AA. The dummy number. Okay, whatever it is. Here I am going to enter two items. Two. I am here item number 2. Then item number 4. Okay. One more item I will enter, that is item number 6. Here 3. And one more item you will enter, item number 7. Okay. These are the drop down list that will available in this file products. HSN code also filled. Just I want to fill the quantity details. 10, 5, 6, 10. Okay. Now I am going to click a save button. Once you click the save button, it will give it will ask the permission. Just click on OK. Like this, one screen will appear. You don't bother about this. Just go through this. Go to advanced. Go to untitled product. Okay, no problem. You click it. Then here it will ask you like this. You select all. Then click on continue. Once you do that, Google Sheet will share with you. Okay. So 2002 is saved in this sheet. 2002. Say 2002. 2002 is saved. Okay. We will get the invoice preview for this number. This is the invoice number, this is the date, and this is the amount. One second. Total. This is the total. Okay. Now another option we will check. There is GST dashboard. GST dashboard here is also come. Then GST register. I think it is not updated. Just click this generate GST register. Say starting, first enter the month 1 2025 to September, right? September is 9th month. Today date is 7 2025. Okay. Once you enter, you will get the updated register. Okay, like this: invoice number, invoice date, client, taxable, CGST, SGST. This is enough, And dashboard, we will check it about dashboard. This is 141, 180. Whether it is just you will go and update that. Click on dashboard so that you will get the dashboard here. Say it is increasing 157. Okay. In this way, you can bill your GST through this Google Sheets. Google Sheets is safe and it's online, so don't bother about when your computer corrupted. There is no problem at all. It will save on drive. Okay. Please don't forget, if any further clarity, you can call me at 9543 198 132. This is my phone number. You can note down here. In the description also I will give the phone number, mobile number, then you can call or email, or you can comment in the comment section so that I will respond to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.